Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. Color lookup adjustment layer in Photoshop is very similar to the lookup table in photographs. Let's go through this adjustment now. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. Now let's create a color lookup adjustment layer in the Layers panel. Then a color lookup properties panel will show up. In this properties panel, there are 3 options for you to choose. For example, you can click the 3D lookup table file and then choose one of the lookup tables. What it does is to match the color of your image according to this lookup table and generate a new image. It is very similar to the lookup table in photographs, and you can load a profile for your abstract and device as well. You don't have to change any of the data order or table order. Let the lookup table profile do the job for you. This way, you can simulate the look of your image being taken by a certain camera. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.